Okay, so this is going to be an example of how you might do a problem similar to the couple problems that follow. So when we're looking at this, remember we want to follow our order of operations, and order of operations says that we start with parentheses, and then we do our exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So if we look here, first we're going to look inside the parentheses. Now, because neither of these things are like terms, what's in the parentheses is already in simplest form. So there is nothing else to be done with the parentheses. So I know that's done. Now, I don't see any exponents in this question, so we don't have any exponents. Next is multiplication. Now, there is one piece of multiplication seen here, and that is between the -3 and what's in the parentheses. Remember, when we have a number right next to the parentheses, that means multiplication. Also, when we have a number right next to the parentheses, that means we're going to do the distributive property. So that's going to be step 1, is perform the distributive property between what's on the outside of the parentheses and the terms that are on the inside of the parentheses. So for this, -3 times 2 is -6x. -3 times 5 is -15. So I'm going to put -15. And then I'm going to write everything else that's in that expression. Good. Okay, there is no division. Next is addition and subtraction. So basically, when we're talking about adding and subtracting, in this sense, we're talking about combining like terms. So first, I'm going to highlight my terms. Oops. So this, remember the sign goes with the number to the right of it. So 6x, the sign to the left goes with that. And then the 4x, the sign to the left goes with that. Okay, and then our constants, I'm going to highlight a different color. The 15 and the sign to the left of it stays together. And then the 1 and the sign to the left of it stays together. Okay, so next I'm going to combine my like terms. -6x minus 4x. -6 minus 4 is -10x. And then -15 plus 1. -15 plus 1 is -14. So it's -14. Okay, now because these cannot be combined any further, I have completely simplified this expression, and this is my final answer. Now I would like you to try the rest of the questions on the Google form.